Hello my beautiful people, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. I'm just trying to settle myself down, settle my mind down, because it's been a little bit of a challenge today, filming with lighting, with interruptions, with camera settings. So whatever guys, I'm sorry. Plus, you know what, there is so much more going on in the world right now for me to be worried about the lighting on my channel and on my cameras. Let's just roll with it. So thank you for coming in and welcome back to my channel. I do have a haul for you guys today. Happy Wednesday. It's another Wednesday frolic for you guys, and we are going to be doing a makeup haul. And so I did not buy a lot of makeup for a very, very long time because my channel is all about skincare. And so I picked up one or two things. So let's just get into it. But first we're going to talk about this perfume sample. Now this is from Juicy Couture. It's called Viva La Juicy. Now if you're somebody who loves floral scents, yes, this is for you. This is way too floral for me, and it seems to be very, very, very strong. I've been using it. I have, and again, very floral, but I think when it dries down on your skin, it smells a lot more subtle. The full size of this is $144, which I'm not going to spend that money to buy this perfume, because if I do, I'm going to have to be wearing it every single day. But I do love the sample, so at least you can try it out every single day, mix it with something else, another perfume that you do have. But again, if this is something that you do like again, floral scents, this is for you. But I like it. I've been wearing it, and so, but I'm not going to be buying that full size. It's too expensive. And I did pick up some things, and this is NC50 concealer from MAC. And when I purchased the last NC50 concealer, it came in a little tube like this. And I think this must have been about, I don't know, 26 bucks. I don't remember. But I bought this when I was living in London years ago, and it lasted a long time because all you need is just a little bit. But thankfully, MAC, they've changed the packaging, and this is what you get right now. And I did show you guys this in the video last Wednesday. What a big difference in size and packages. So this is what I picked up because I do like the NC50 concealer. It really works well for my skin tone. It's not yellow, it's not neutral, it is just perfect. Absolutely love that. It just came in the little package like this. I'm going to leave that in the description box for you guys. Okay, so next I have this lash glue. This is from Sephora. This is a Sephora brand. I really like this one. In less than 2 seconds, this is ready to apply. You put a little bit of this on your lash band, and it goes on white. It turns a little bit blue, and in 2 seconds you can stick this on your eyes. You don't even have to blow on this, but it just sticks on so nicely. The one that I had before was this one here from Walmart, which really does work well. But this one is really good. Again, it goes on white, but it dries clear. Absolutely love this one. This is a must-have for you guys. It's going to be on my website. So I do have this lipstick from Quo Beauty. I'm going to leave the name of this lipstick in the description box for you guys. And I don't know why I'm in the nude phase right now when it comes to lipsticks. And it started last year. But I mean, yes, I can do the glosses and the reds. But I think for the fall season, fall, winter, I just love the nudes. Yes, you can get away with some reds in between. But I haven't worn this one yet. But this one is so pretty, so cute, and I'm gonna definitely do a makeup look and come back and use this lipstick for you guys. I just love the shade of this. Hope you guys can see that. It is very, very, very pretty. Again, in the nude range from Quo Beauty, and this is from Shoppers Drugmart. And I already showed you guys this one here from Bath & Body Works, which I'm wearing right now. I do love this. It is a beautiful, beautiful soft lip gloss, but as you can see, you do get some color with this. It is very, very pretty. And again, I'm going to leave this down in the description box for you as well. And I've already shown you guys this one already in a haul, I think. It's called Chocolate Nectar from Max Factor. And I love this one. It's really, really pretty. And again, I'm in the nude shades right now for the fall. And this one here, you guys would have already seen, I think, on Instagram. This is called Marrakesh. Again, this is from MAC. And this is so pretty. It's a gorgeous muted red lipstick. It's almost like a bricky color in between brick and red. Absolutely love this. You guys would have already seen this on Instagram, and it's also featured in my magazine as well. Love that. And this one here is from Blackradiance. I've already shown you guys this already. And I think I had done a makeup look with this shade of lipstick. It is so pretty. I mean, there were so many beautiful shades of browns and beautiful shades of neutral colors for the fall. I mean, it's just amazing. And I think, for example, MAC, you know, they've really come back with some beautiful lipsticks. And this is another matte lipstick. It's called Sultriness. I'm going to leave this again in the description box for you guys. I don't think I've shown you guys this one before. Now, this is a gorgeous pink. Oh my God. I mean, look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. And again, MAC, you've outdone yourself, because not that you didn't have beautiful lipsticks before, but I think, you know, your new collection of lipsticks are really amazing. Sultriness, this is called, and this is also featured on sassyover55.com. Love that. Just a normal bullet for this lipstick. And another one from MAC, and it's called Stay Curious. You would have also seen this one on Instagram already, or TikTok. And again, very, very, very pretty, beautiful lipstick. I mean, look at that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. There we go. Stay Curious. This is the one right here. And again, it's in my magazine, which is linked to my website. You guys are going to see it on there. Absolutely gorgeous. Great for this time of year. The lipsticks are just gorgeous. Love them. And the other one from MAC, this one is called Overstatement. Overstatement you would have seen on Instagram for sure. Again, all of these is featured in my magazine. And the bullet is just a little bit larger than normal. No, I think it's the same size. But this one is absolutely dynamite. It is on the ball. I mean, look at this. So pretty, absolutely gorgeous. Overstatement from MAC. Very, very, very pretty. Gorgeous lipsticks for this time of year. Absolutely love it. Now, I picked up a few things from REM Beauty. I never ever in my entire life heard of this brand before, because I love to go through the drugstores and go from aisle to aisle, go into the beauty section and see what's new. And I'm going to be definitely coming back to test this out. And this is from REM Beauty. And of course, and this is from the drugstore. And my shade is matched to whatever the number is. It's going to be down below for you guys. The packaging is not too bad. The packaging is quite cute. Now look at that. And when I saw this, I thought, this is my shade. This is my shade for sure, REM Beauty. And I don't have my glasses with me, so I cannot tell you what the number is, but the packaging is so nice. And this is it right here. I'm going to be definitely coming back using this foundation for you guys and just letting you know my thoughts on it. Okay. And also from REM Beauty, I picked up a brush as well. And I mean, who are you, REM Beauty? I mean, I've never heard of you before. I mean, like, where did you come from, REM Beauty? And this is a concealer brush. Now look at the shape of this brush. I have never seen a brush this shape before. I mean, look at the tip of this. And it's for your concealer. And I just love the shape of this. So pretty. And again, REM Beauty, who are you? Like I said, never heard of you before. And also from REM Beauty, I picked up their concealer. And again, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to leave the name of this for you guys in the description box. But this comes along with a cute little spoolie. Ah, my God. And again, congratulations, REM Beauty. And when I saw this concealer, I thought, this is my shade. And this is the brush. It's sold separately, but this is a brush that you use to apply your concealer on your eyes, anywhere on your face that you think you need some coverage. This is going to do it for you. REM Beauty, I'm so happy I found you. I am so impressed, and I'm so happy that I found you, because I think you are going to be a part of my life for a very long time. Again, it comes along with a little spoolie like that. And I did pick up the brush separately. And of course, I do have the foundation, which I'm so excited to try for you guys. I'm going to definitely come back and do a makeup look with these products for you guys. And last but not least, I picked up an angle brush from Quo Beauty. And this is an angle foundation brush. Not that I needed another brush or anything, but I think after some time you have to replace your brushes. Okay, and here it is right here. Let me just see if I can remove it for you guys. An angle foundation brush. Now this reminds me of a foundation brush that I have from, I think it was from Sephora for a very long time. And this is very soft to apply your foundation. So I'm going to be definitely coming back using my REM Beauty products and obviously this brush to do a makeup look for you guys. But in the meantime, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you. And so we are going to leave it here for today. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Everything is going to be in the description box. And you please come back next week for another video. Toodles.